Okay, get both of them in and started. Okay, take that hammer and just tap it a little bit.
It looks like, I think it's going in fine.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty straight.
If it works for you, it works for me. All right, before you go any further, go ahead and get the other one started. Okay, now just take your hammer and just tap it lightly. You don't have to hit it real hard. Just
Like up?
No, just tap it straight in. Okay. Okay, get the nut started.
Oh.
Okay, you're done with the hammer. You can put it down. Okay, get your safety glasses on. Okay, get that ready. Get it going the right direction.
Oh.
Just pop the trigger. Okay, that's going backwards. Okay. Okay. Now make sure you push
This
hard.
way?
Yep, push it in there hard. Okay, let's reverse this. Okay. Go ahead. Just quick burst. Quick burst.
It's not lining up because of this.
Why that bracket's been a pain on it.
Good?
Okay, good. Get the bottom one.
Oh, it's getting stopped by that.